Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And today we are going to basically cook the Haldiram Minute Khana Pav Bhaji. So we are going to prepare this. So let's quickly get preparing with what we need to make this Pav Bhaji. So basically this Pav Bhaji packs serves 2 people, and we are going to quickly go and cook it. So basically you don't need to cook it, guys. It is just, you just need to heat it. So there are 2 ways to heat it. One is you put the pack in a boiling water and it gets heated up, and the second way is basically remove the contents to a pan and then heat it up. So we are going to do it the pan way, the natural normal way that we would generally heat food. So I'm going to remove the contents into the pan and I'm going to cook it. So before that, let's open this pack and see what's inside this. I'm just going to tear it open right now. And inside the box, we have a pack of Pav Bhaji right here in a plastic pouch. This Pav Bhaji, you can see this is, and they have written Pav Bhaji right on top of it. 300 grams of Pav Bhaji in this. Definitely will serve 2 people. So it's mildly spicy, fresh vegetables and mashed potatoes cooked with traditional spices and tomatoes. Just heat it to eat it, and you have to cook it for like 3 to 5 minutes in a pan. So we just need to heat it for 3 to 5 minutes in a pan, and it should be good to eat. So now guys, let's go and quickly pour it in the pan and let's see how it turns out. I have 2 packs of it, so I'm going to put 2 packs at once because I have more members in my family to eat. So let's see if it is good enough for 4 people. So let's go and quickly heat this in a pan. So guys, I've just kept a pan to heat on gas, and now we are going to pour in the Pav Bhaji from the packet. So just going to cut it open, so you can see it here. I'm going to cut this open right here, and then pour this right into the pan. So guys, I poured in 1 packet and the quantity looks good enough. 300 gram of this looks really good. And now we are just going to heat this up and keep stirring a bit so that it heats evenly on all sides. I haven't added any oil or anything. I'm just thinking of garnishing it with some butter once it's ready. But it looks good. I can see veggies in it, like the peas and stuff in it. So it looks good. So just gonna cook this for like 3 minutes. So let it heat up for 3 minutes. Let it come to a boil. Guys, you can see that it has come to a boil now. It's been 3 minutes since I've been heating this up, and now the bhaji has come to a boil and has become nice and hot. So it's ready. We are just going to quickly garnish in some butter, like add in some butter for garnish to this pav bhaji, which will add on to the taste of it. If you want, you can also add in some coriander on top to garnish it. So guys, I'm going to wash some coriander and add it to the pav bhaji as a garnish, just to give a better taste. Just added in some coriander, give it a wonderful taste into the pav bhaji. It looks amazing, the texture looks nice. Can't wait to taste this. So we are going to quickly take it in a plate and do a quick taste test. So guys, मैंने सर्व की है the pav bhaji in a plate, and I'm going to add some onion, topping it up with some onion. Yes. A dash of lime. And now we are going to do a taste test of the Haldiram Minute Pav Bhaji, ready to heat and eat. This is a ready to eat Pav Bhaji. So here it goes. Damn tasty. Taste amazing. It has a wonderful taste. I really liked it. Full on restaurant style pav bhaji in minutes. I just had to heat it. For more taste, I added some coriander and stuff. But I think without coriander, without the still it would taste best. So this is an amazing pav bhaji. Mildly spiced, not very spicy. So yeah. If you are looking to like have something at hand, like when you don't want to cook, this is something I would definitely recommend to have at home. If you are looking to buy the Haldiram Minute Pav Bhaji, it's available online. I'll share a link in the description below. You can check it out from there. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.